So
Yeah.
this is going to be a storm that we will talk about for a long time.
Folks are going to remember this one. This is one of those big ones that you talk about for a while, and you remember December 2018 is still currently the biggest snow I've ever seen in my entire life. This is second biggest.
Wow.
So that's saying something. Growing up
For
here,
sure.
this is one that we rarely see. Wanya came up to me and was like, "Now I know you said this doesn't happen very often, but I'm going to get a little suspicious if it happens again next winter." I was like, "Listen, I don't control it. I don't control it, okay? I know. It's just really rare, guys. This happens every few years. It just so happens to be right now on a very busy weekend, too, in the Piedmont Triad. Man, folks who have been wanting some snow, how about that, right? Enjoy it because this is a big one for us and one we likely won't see again for quite some time. Snow is just now winding down. We've even got a few flurries still lingering in Montgomery County. Coastal low still strengthening and starting to pull away. So we've got some snow still falling at the beaches and at the Outer Banks and in eastern North Carolina. But of course that precip is starting to come to an end. Officially at PTI Airport, we got 10.3 inches of snow yesterday in that 24-hour span. That was our snowiest January 31st on record. We set a new record, and it was the biggest triad snow we've had since, and as I mentioned, back in December of 2018. 10.3 inches is a lot, but some folks got even more, and I mean several inches more. Davidson County and Lexington, you were the big winners. 16 inches of snow in Lexington, 13, almost 14 in Thomasville. High Point got about a foot, 11 inches in Winston-Salem, and then of course 10 in Greensboro, and it doesn't stop there. Trinity got a foot. Asheboro got about 10 inches as well. Even into our northern and eastern Piedmont communities, Mayodan, Eden, Burlington with about 7, 8, 9 inches. You head into the foothills, they got plenty as well, anywhere from about 6 to 7 in Wilkesboro. Don't try me. Don't try me. 9 inches in Walnut Cove, 10 in Mount Airy. Up in the mountains, 4, 5, 6 inches. The higher elevations got even closer to a foot, like there on Beech Mountain. Davidson County saw some of, if not the highest snowfall totals in the entire state yesterday. So I think it's safe to say we did pretty good with that event. Winter storm warning continues till 1 o'clock this afternoon. That's in effect because of the lingering travel impacts from this. And now our attention turns to some of those impacts with the travel and also the wind and the cold. As low pressure strengthens and starts to pull off the coast, our winds have shifted, you notice, and that snow is really blowing around this morning off the rooftops, off the trees. Winds are out of the north and west at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. We've even got stronger gusts approaching 40 miles per hour up in the mountains. 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts here in the Triad. A wind advisory in effect through the afternoon up there in the North Carolina mountains. They could have some 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts. And when you factor in that wind, here's what it feels like outside. As cold as -20 up there in the mountains. It feels like -2 in Winston-Salem. Single-digit wind chills all across the board. So a cold weather advisory and extreme cold warning in effect until 10 o'clock this morning. It's going to be a very, very cold day. Because of the snowpack, high temperatures likely only hang out in the upper 20s. We will see sunshine, which helps, but it'll really feel more like the single digits and teens most of the day. Because of those lingering alerts in effect, that's why we've got the alert and impact icons up for you. Near 30 this afternoon in the foothills. The mountains should be in the teens all day, feeling like below zero in the single digits. Sunshine should help a little bit today with some of that melting. But again, temperatures very cold, below freezing, so expect a slick travel and icy conditions to continue. 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts will continue here through the rest of the afternoon. Then the winds calm down this evening, overnight tonight, and tomorrow should be a little less windy as well. So we've got slick travel. What melts today will refreeze overnight tonight. So icy travel is likely going to be a problem for the next couple of days, at least into Monday and Tuesday. Those gusty winds will be around with us today, and it stays very, very cold. Highs in the 20s today, only 30s tomorrow. I do think we start to see a little improvement by the middle of the week. 40s return Tuesday, Wednesday. How about that? It's been over a week since we've had highs in the 40s. We've been colder for a long, long time. So 40 should help a little bit, but it's still below average. We'll be staying pretty chilly. Next opportunity for some wet weather looks to come by the middle of the week, late Tuesday and maybe into Wednesday. A few chilly rain showers possible as low pressure passes by. For now, looks like the wintry weather should stay to our north. I think we've got enough for a little while, but of course we will continue to keep you posted. Wednesday, as I mentioned, our next chance of rain. Stay warm, stay safe, be careful on the road the next couple of days.